Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here our Galaxy Fit3. And this time, after our review of the specs and design of the Galaxy Fit3, we are now going to focus on the menus and features available in this wearable. Okay, so we are going to check the different menus, the sports, the health function, of the Galaxy Fit3. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, especially on the device, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and explore the menus and features of our Galaxy Fit3. Our color here, by the way, is the pink gold color, and let's have a look at the design of the Galaxy Fit3 before we explore the menus and features. So we have a metal body frame here, brush finish, and we have a PC back cover. We have the power connector here, the lock for the strap, and there's a single physical button here. So we have here the wearable, and let's check on the menus and features available on the device. On top we have the quick settings. Just swipe from top to bottom. On the bottom part we have the menus and features. On the left side we have the notifications. On the right side we have the different menus here, or main features. So we have the automatic activity tracking here. Then we have the sports, sleep monitoring. So this one is I think it is the weather or time, temperature. We have the date, music control function. We have the heart rate, cycle tracking, and you can add another tile here. So let's have our wall clock. So let's explore the menus. So it's on the bottom part. Again, we have the quick settings here. We have the power off, the settings, vibration mode, or the sound, vibrate. On the bottom part we have the main features. We have the health here, Samsung Health. This includes the daily activity, steps, exercise, workout this week, food, heart rate, stress, sleep, cycle tracking, and more. The one health management section here. Nice. This is good. We have the media controller, music control function, find phone. We have the weather, calendar, timer, alarm. We also have a stopwatch, word clock, calculator. We have the camera remote for photos and settings. For the settings, we have the modes here: sleep mode or theater mode, notifications. So app notifications manage on phone, show phone notifications on band. You can also mute it. You do have the advanced settings. So we have the details here. Going back, we have vibration, display, Samsung Health, security, privacy, safety and emergency, advanced features, disconnection alert, water lock. We have the general settings here. The orientation, you can change it. And about the band. So we have here the Galaxy Fit3 SMR390. So let's check on the health here. So where's our heart rate? Okay, you can measure it here directly. Okay, so it can detect whether you are wearing it or not. As you can see here, we also have the stress monitoring, sleep monitoring, and we have a water reminder. Let's check with this one, blood oxygen. Okay, it can also detect here. Then for the sports, so where do we have to access the sports? Okay, we have walking, running, bike, running coach, track run, hiking, pool swimming, open water, treadmill. So we do have a lot of workout here, other workout. So you can also add here, we have categories, general aerobic, free weight, weight machine, wilderness, water, and winter. We also have some ball games here. So very comprehensive list of sports functions. So we are going to have a separate review for this one. Okay, if you are interested to see some of the offered sports here, we'll have it in our other video review. Okay, we also have a good notification support here. Again, we have here the different menus and features of the wearable. So you can add your world clock here. Okay, so here are the different menus and features. Very slim black border, by the way. For the watch face, let's see if we can change it here. Long press. As you can see here, it's also preloaded with different watch faces. And more on the support app. Let's pick this one. Okay, so this is, I guess this is a custom watch face. So that's it for the menus and features of our Galaxy Fit3 device. So if you have any questions regarding the Galaxy Fit3, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye!